na yente no wone Sompa for akasa ya emunchemu ya wode ema ye no ye ba beda na ekire ede amamo na wode wone chiremu obokone ne mpotemu ababa tujwa se ne custom for ya omo ho no wone aprosi for de atale so ya enya asem ketwade ben ena efri ensem ni mu ebabusia ensem ni afoforo bi ye dikaditie ya edom we no ena enne anwumrei sciatica expert one first clinic waso yasene ya ede ba bedan wo wadaroma osisi achi entini ye sofa to ase etisi wakwose we 19 ho no de na atwon eya wo ya na ase tutu aka wato dem o se bra ya de nka ye bia no ono so wo hwe na watu ase de amount miso free drink ne 5G mizanso aso ye pechi enne anwumrei ewo kase mu kope bia no de papa ya pomuden so ahyemo ma Liberty Conference October edition no nyame ya adomo 26 October ya ena eremu ewo eye Jubilee Park inteno omahene yaw edubuachi host papa se yenka ncho se edru ho afa ho ehyembi na enema enkoye emfa emaw 3 herbal centers for so the 3 co caps cocoa master I am team sisi yade adro what the air so yasene na omo ye adwadefo mo businesses no ene imi pro service for ba wase what the wani e kiremu ewo eye China ntino opesa wo bo udwumadi anase wadwuma ho ban a na what the wani a kire ho na won so atimi aboa o wa brochi ko ho nsem nyina da express group sebra na wontimi emfa wontukwa wa bla wani ntutu nka wonsem afia so abia bronya no ba bedu amanfo ba beji wani na ekunafo ne nyanka ne nwisian so sen wa bra bone beye no nti ta one media foundation enam Sompa chede so esefa wo de bra beka ye de won se beye betimi acheche ama obian so so ani age na wanya ntoma fra wa dagya so na bibian so etimi akoye abusia enwumekoya da Roma ena wonom eso yechi ama enne anwumre October bosome de toso du e won fimpi mienu ne aduonu namu no ye de eba besom se ensem foforo e wo kase e kwan so medi de ohene ire maame akua yeboa esiama bronya wadaroma Facebook no betimi aka ye ho e ya Sompa TV Ghana ana Sompa 93.1 YouTube no e ya Sompa TV www.somponline.com so ensem no e di twego ho betimi akokenka bin so e de afiri ho afi yenge brani adaje na ensem no sania esi atie no yentutu ne srani abasa emfa emamo ye hyansem na se e de afiri amanyosem na NDC amanyo ko no kodi dwuma so bi oframantem kropon ho mu eno enenam so ama national secretary na chairman Yera Johnson esiedu nketia wono so akokasa yensem dodo na no ena yewrai ede atudwa ni nyina ne sa afi wasi abato no enya agodie eda wo moba bedi wo mayi mu ni nyina ne sendi si atra opposition ache eti wo munyuma pa ya wonum eye no obeso oba ebeto so MPP nso say wonum e breaki 8 no eno nti obi ani abresa krodo na so no wo kire se de wo gina fifi ato ayiram electoral commission no wono enansem ni nyina da se bekoyo se enkoyo dodo na esam ni tiri so eno enansa yo so ena ye Jones esiedu nketia ato ne mutu akire ese nansen wo hwa ene na momframa mi ache se ekoso okra no se abato bedwa na hyase ena ballot no mo printe e de ababonten ne ho niema no mo se na nansen ya apak meeting ye ekoso ma mi je mesa begina mu ka se dem niema bi wo ho a enhye da nkoye ne nkofo ye transfer ye vote e de akoba bi foforo nyina da wo kire se niema ba ko wo mu anyansi po ne ba ne sen ena ntoto ye nwie du na so wa hyase e printe ballot wa bra register na nkasamfonso kakra e wo ho Yera Johnson esiedu enketia e de nsem say ene tie we to
books will be made available for those who don't understand this thing. The code books are the books that tells you polling station by polling station, number of voters in each of those polling stations, and that will guide the composition of the ballot statistics and then before you proceed to do printing. We do not have the code books as we stand here to guide us as to the number of voters in each polling station for which we will be printing ballot papers. We don't have the ballot statistics as well, and we are going into printing. So we are back at the guesswork with which Electoral Commission has been approaching their duties. And I don't believe it is guesswork. It is a well-orchestrated plan to position the ruling party in a favorable situation, hoping that they can win this election. Let me tell them, no matter what you do, no matter what you say, this election will never be won by by MPP and its partners in the Electoral Commission. So a word to the wise is enough. You better go back and operate according to your own rules, your own laws, and your own commitments to put this country at ease. Elections should not be a matter of life and death, but for each passing day, the commission conducts itself as if we all came here to rent a country, and that someday, somehow, we will leave and leave the mess to the landlord to clear. Let them take it from me that we are in together, and this is our country. We don't have any other country. I said they must halt whatever plans they have in printing ballot papers, because ballot papers must be printed based on the finalized register.
Adwin Pobiada ya mo wo se mo de printed ballot papers no ye John says edun ketia titire ni demand si amanyoko no e kire se isi no hwe na wonom emposo wo ho a wo munjai nya sade a wo mudi e kire pi se wo mo konde amampp amanyoko na enya ade a wo kan sisu po wo mbedi nkunim e wa afi wesi abato no ye ba ha se nom samanfra fonti bibiada obi ye no e ya wonwene hu ye benyansafo ye boni be ye nka na asem ye Johnson esiedun ketia ene da sansem wesi nyina di e de e kire ye afe ye boeremo ne akọ organized labor wonom na nsen ya da wo ma aban no nefo bi se wanhwe na wantoto ne ma na galamse hu sensem ama ne hom ne so e wo memu finhye pi ne ye se ye ne ma hodo no wampe bibipa bi anka mfa ho ama mra anye na dwuma ama niema ese wo mem ase no mo no yampepo masibre bi ensie ne obehwe no mate wo ho e de agu amonte so ne nyina ne se adwuma kora no enya ade a wonom ebeye bi strike so behyehyɛ so na enam sayo so ene dei ene da na etwato ya wo kyerɛ sa ban na nhwɛ anka asem bi amfa ho a wode strike ne behyehyɛ so nanso ye kan ya no anase ye kasa ya no wonom atwe eye strike no asensen e kyerɛ se kura wonom anaka ye nso mo se wo ma anwoma sa pu diaba ni nyina no na aba beto odwane nam framemu ebinum keka se organized labor for example no wakwaji ahya won topafu eni esika ye de ahya won funumu ene won sem ya yaka wonum atum ano atum eno nti na bia se aginesie ya wosi ya se obehwe no akọ strike no wagyan no na so no ye wura ba akoya won no na wodi entintima wom no ya de a won no so akasa sa wodi wani chebu ye Rakin Ali Awudu one ne president at the coalition of concerned teachers one also organized labor ekoba prekope wakasa eden nsama todwa akyerɛkyerɛmu de amaya de krontia wo fa so a wogya saa nneɛma we say no
opinion and somebody have a dissenting opinion. The easy thing some of the people in this country do is to accuse you of going for A or B. But mind you, so many organizations in this country have threatened to do certain things about Galamsey, and government never mind them, including the Ghana Academy of Arts and Sciences. Since December 2023, they issued notice to government to revoke the LI that allow mining in forest reserve. Government have not mind them. Organized labor comes in, and less than a month, government have issued a directive for the LI to be revoked. This is what we want. It is being achieved. Why do we go on strike?
Ebusiania wakasa ye organized labor ekoba prekope would wani chiremu so coalition of concerned teachers one no any president ya wotua no wo mem hase nom ye Rakin Ali Awudu anything afe ye monra my galamse hu sensem no a ena yeda so ejiremu omeyi eye wo man obeyi eye memman ye ni baabi a ye kɔ Onyankopɔn ekyade no de enya ya ene amaga nente no esefata sami no mie no ye hwɛ ne yɛbɔ nneɛma pa ya wɔbɔ adeɛ no ɛkyekyɛ nneɛma ahodoɔ ɛde ama aban no wɔde dum my Ghana nanso no ɛnɛ Ghana ha sɛ no yɛpa yɛ ho a yɛn hu yasene mu ɛne nneɛma yɛ bisi basa galamsefue yɛ nneɛma ahodoɔ yɛ Nyankopɔn de kyɛ yankenkyiri maba obabehu enipa ahodoɔ na etimi aboa yankasa yabrabɔ ne nkankro ene ne nkwa animu no ɛyɛ ade agalamse ntene yɛhwe ne nyina da ɛno ɛnam sayo so nipa dodoɔ na no ɛna ɛkasa tia sɛ ɛbrɛ no ni abanhwɛ na emra no wonyine mu yire kete ene obi ɛbɛkyew no yɛma emra no enso ɔpɛkyi na baabi a wɔsɛ de wugina no ɛmfa wonyina nyɛhwɛ so de ma afoforo nso ensua nyansa ɛwɔ ho na so no Ghana Catholic Bishop Conference for one so the above bonte trese and kwafo bi na momonte so trese wo mo hwe ama ye bambo ho nsem ye potamo bambo no se be ya galamse ye bejai ama niema koye nti obete won ho de agu monte so ni nyina ne wo mu twi protest nyina no obom paye e de afem aka bibi de akira ban no na wei e na wonom so aba bonte e trese da bi sansam ne na monte so no enye sa e netie Most Reverend Gabriel Justice Anoche or Archbishop Kumasi Asenom and I watch as a sediment dear and number from them say Ghana Catholic Bishop Conference for a bayano and ya wonum and nebe nemum Accra Archdiocese no and I will my dreams from baby bisa Nanya Omunina and a signa ya nemum omo de omo to omo no mutu aka kira ban ne sagalam say no enya ade a wo pene so nti won hwe no mpe anop mercy branchechemu ya wo de ma ye no yenkotie bimra.
The Accra Archdiocese is the one organizing environmental prayer walk against Galamsey. The Galamsey issue is not a political issue. It is environmental, it is social, it is community, it is industrial, it is a work situation, employment situation. It has a lot of ramifications. About 4 million people are involved in Galamsey, directly or indirectly. In the legal mining also, directly or indirectly. Workers, sellers, buyers, transport, food, drinkables, edible, construction. A lot of activities are related to the mining, legal or illegal. A dialogue with all stakeholders will be able to solve the problem. It is not only a political issue. It's not only politicians involved. Surely politics can do something, but it should not be seen as a government failing to stop Galamsey. So all of us collectively, all of us who are also cutting wood and destroying the environment, all of us are involved. And so the Catholic Bishop Conference has not embarked on a demonstration as such. It is Accra Archdiocese embarking on environmental prayer work. It should not be misconstrued. We are awake, we are monitoring the situation, and you will keep explaining. Our Secretary General, Father Clement Ejay, has explained it TV that Accra program, IDAS program, is not Catholic Bishop Conference program, but perhaps some have not heard it. That's why I'm adding my voice now. We all become ambassadors. We pray stakeholders will find a peaceful way of solving this problem.
Emsia nia yeti ni Most Reverend Gabriel Justice Anoche Archbishop ya wono ewo Kumasi Asenom na ye kwa ye nim no na ye remo Ghana Coalition Against Galamsey wonom so ediemu na nsanyada ene wonom so akasa pa etrese Galamsey no aban sodio sode wonom akwan mo kyerese na sekra do mumini mu nyina asi asa aban na bomi fi tanduku kyerese de wo ka ne krampo no wonte so dogo bi enu abe eno ena watch se wiase wo we no so yefru yo ya no wanhwe osi obi hu de ha wo asa wanumu a wo keka no anase wototo wanumu tuo kira ban no won hyeda ehu bibia no ntene ne ya da wonum de kogia bobo wonsa ne wonti kire sa ban no sabre ye kasa de ene a red band campaign ena wonum so ebete agumu no matimi aye yenko convener edema ekoe ye raken ashigbe wade nsam dodo na mu nkyiremu ene ma ye.
We are launching this operation just to make sure that
Ebusia mofa encheye na ye pese yensa eka ye ruake na shigbe na wotimi ede ensemu nchemu amena so ne nsem okan ni nyina no emu tofa bo ena mede ama na ye se red band campaign ena ene wonom ehya ase gumu se wonom ye de akira ban no na se wonim de ba ene na wahwe fi se wentie ne wanye bibia amfa galamsey no ho na ne gensu wansu na nyina na yese team pampa no yentimi ampe ne pomasi bra dache no eba ha ye nyina pomde ho sembe toto ape ama yankase ye ho atimi ayira yen emu ensem ena yede amamwe eusia ye kwaye nim no na ye boawramo ewo eye river brim no eye ensutine ba kwaye no so ewo eye omaiga na mu asenum na ababetojwa say a Ghana National Association of Small Scale Miners wonom ne asrafo dom ya wonom ewo memu bi ate wo ho agumonten so twese galamsey na fedi ayeye se aban na kana se omu entia ene esa akwado pade kokwa ehunu etedam na haban ene ye de kire no nteno wonom so keka wo ho kyese omo ho kwan ema galamsey fo ense wo man ye nepa wodo a wobo ade ede ema yen eno enam so chamfan eye afidie bi atese dikanika ye ne galamsey fo e wode abo ne gumu a na yam se ya wo wi anu ato black ne no wayi gold no e de afiri mu wonom akwa hihyibi ya enya asem ketwa yenko se de enema esiko ye wa bla na chamfan no ye de eja egumu no yenko tie ho nsem ne bimra
making this operation just to make sure that we clear all our water bodies off mining activities, whether registered or unregistered. Yes, for now, we don't care whether you are a registered miner or not. Our concern is for the water body. So far as you are close by the water body, or you are on the water body, or along the water body, you are our target. That's what we are doing now. The forest is the subsequent one. But for now, the immediate mission that we have now is to clear our water bodies off any mining activity. Okay. We are going to all the major water bodies within the area. But as we've started, and then we'll go as and when. I'm not able to tell you from here where we are going. But once we get there, we decide where to go. But we'll make sure that we'll go to all the water bodies. For this first phase, we are looking at not less than 2 weeks. And maybe subsequently we'll continue to the other areas. But for now, we have moved in for the first phase of 2 weeks to operate in the field.
Ebusiani okasa ye Colonel Eric Tinedu wono ene commander ya Operation Hot Task Force for no wada won ma no chese river brim no nya de a wo ba be fro sesi ada wo be hwe atena ho akopem se wo be hu sa afede ensuo ne kura na ni ate kroje ya wo makwan emma pesame nkuminyafo bi emfa galamsey kwan so ensai no biem. Sompa TV Sunie Sompa 93.1 FM, Sompa 98.9, and a Sompa 90.7. Yen nada ya kabomo, and a enyumre no siabrem kasiye bono, yede daimo. Kaya huo Facebook no so, eya Sompa TV Ghana, na Sompa 93.1. YouTube no eya Sompa TV, ye kwa ensemo, na ya kwa ye name. Yera Sampa wano ene mayor, ya eya asante mantem kumase kropon bejano, wotia anom na ababe toja wa bra mpanyifo chese wo ye hwehwemu e na wo chese se galamsey ne krampo no yera sampan aye kobre wo nso ye sompafe ye kwakobra galamsey so se mpanyifo ya e na wode wo ho hwehwemu a wo tubie eno ti hwehemu no mu kiremu a yera sampan so se wo ye galamsey no ebi ya wo sese ye nsuo ne ye niam ahodo eno e na asem ese betojwa no wo chese da bi asem ne nya sa na tie concession de wo bi concession ye se bi asase yantam no obi akwaje se ne kokoo ne woso se meo se ye kwayo se ye mfufu na ne ewura kra no akwaje no no so de ama wo bi na ne wo mu eye adwuma wo ho wo se no de wo bi a wo jeje mu de ma amanfo na se ono ankasa se wo tu galamsey ni de enye sa krampo e na ne matie.
The headlines they brought Rambo for Ghana's forest to do galamsey. All the people now no so be no katatet for din no one pay your me pictures in that for them say ye galamsey in Yaminku yen. This is me galamsey. Yes, I have a concession. I'm a Ghanaian, but I'm not working. I started this in 2018. Ebe pim ne enkrata ebe ma me finality kura mensankai. Enti ye di otan and the cancel. Me and this for a galamsey, not small scale. A guminsano, or damn ye dear, my bonny will be shocked.
Eni ananka abobo ya ananka aboa ne egyina ehu se nyo baakofo na nanane ablewa send kofo nso e kan ho yera sampan ene ye chese oda river no e yade a kwa ibrento bi eda ho no obo awram aye galamse ne bi no ho anu ye e na wode amaye ne ye kwa homa no so ne yera Richard Kumado abobo enkomo ne nyina no ene se ensem bi ebobo ba ewo atifi epoye mantem boko ene ne mpotamo kyerese checkpoint bi ewo ho no asra soldier for ma say we Ghana police for omune custom for e de atale ne nyina ne say custom for ne chia police for ne so mo small grain here ma bi e de afa kwati kwan so no e na aba beto dwa say mentem ho ase asole a womo mienu e de abomu ewo ho yankwa oma no so yera Richard ye bambo mu nimdifo e ba se kwanya ye fa so ebokro no e di dream ewo ye abefo kwan so so a wonimu de pa yera wada roma wote yenka nwumre yada wo ase amoadwo yera Kumado mpacha wote yenka Ebusia ye boy homoden se ye nsa beka panyipa ya waben e wo bambo ho ensem na ye bisa ne nsem ba akomienu bi yera Kumado adaroma wote yenka ye moadwo
me aba mi jozo
mi rampacha wo na muti sen
mpacha me ho ye
yo maye misao na yaba betene se wodwa ni chemu oboko mpotem ho a custom for ne approach for the boy ne nyina ne se smuggling bi na ma approach for nsa so ya chese ekoso wo ho ensemi wote ye no sen na wosi so mu de edikan.
Oh, this is the second time a crash between police and military happened with Boko side. And I said this is the second time issues about security and security officers. Okay, first one here military and prison officers. And the second one we have about the police. I'm of the view high levels of indiscipline is a major issue for your law enforcement agencies. And we know Usha na almost about small and say na say one party I give bribe and another party name per se bribe in so and I say almost and another party needs to having said that, levels of indiscipline here too much, particularly within Boko to prevent crime and crime related activities. The the leadership of the military and the police to take charge and ensure that the right thing is done.
Enti wujidi se aban no akatua na wadema wo mu na enso wo mu ya mpanyimfo ya de omakotuatua bambo ano se wo mu nhwe na ne mankoye ne wo mankasa kire won ho wi
enye akatua per se welfare a major issue but we know a lack of discipline because you saw them shooting guns almost everywhere. And they are ready to take on one another. And every more cancer we police and military fight. And don't go that side. They are ready to, even kill one another. And in the military and also in the police, such a situation, you have to account for the total number of bullets you shot out there. And I don't know who is going to hold them responsible. But it's also because military hierarchy, and I said military hierarchy in particular, they don't hold their men into account. And to that level of lack of accountability is one of the issues that has led to where we are now, Minia.
And to office said dear Ben and penny for your right GP, then penny for that custom nano hono. One betty me I had sad indiscipline ya air cost ya wono. Ye betty me abra no as and I say betty me to us.
Me said Dampari there and channel my tradition. And Dampari will investigate if the police people cross the line. Meaning the police my issue letter statement is they were not involved in many of those things. But I also know it's an investigation. Now, if you want to go by Dampari there, channel my tradition. And any police officer who is not capable, meaning said they will have to face the disciplinary action. It should not go the military does anything and get away with it. And the military hierarchy has covered the military officers for so long. That is what is also leading to these high levels of indiscipline within the military. Going forward. Because Boko Haram, a major insecurity point, they should go and maintain peace and order. Now, if those in charge of maintaining peace and law has become lawless, then it's a major issue.
Yera yeja ukwan kra no research for year wo regional minister ne na pamfo se wo mo behwe na wo mo aso saa we ye ne we ya no wo gide wo mu so mbetimi aso ano wo ho ana age se mpanyimfo ahodo be mu
homo ye ne ye be ye ne de so ma anya ne ye then we are rationalizing bad behavior and I mean about one of the things about security operation is non-punishable of offenses who always rationalize bad behavior and promote antisocial tendencies in society. Grammar thinking says Kwame Kodi Boni na ya share. Kojoso name says so Kodi the same Boni and Kosishi. And this is what we have done over the years, and then there's no discipline within the military in particular. And she they say investigation and punish the culprit. So we are going back to square one.
Ne krakram ne sembe na obetimi de agya ye kwan wa ben wa bambo ho nsemu yi.
No, me say times are very complex in Ghana. Boko ye a major insecurity zone. Anything I set up military barriers for taking care of the place. Unfortunately, incidents were taking place for barracks. So one of the barracks, either where the police are or where the military is. And it doesn't speak well of them. Integrity of the police and the military is being challenged almost all the time.
Yero amayana se ye hia bibia be sabo apuni abaje mu nchire mu. Ebusia panyin ne twetwe nkomoi wa ben e wo bambo ho ensem animude. Yero Richard Kumado ene ne din. Afe ye nkomoi na ye ramu wo osagefo amotio for panyin. Wachehene wanoso na boboa no wonka bi nhemu ene wato nani ane se ye ramati opoku prempe wanoso edru na kache ne nyina da ene se wo ba bebo ntoa wonpotem wanaso no esanse pinti asase na hokwa na asase bia na se kro bia wo rent no wode ne die mapa ye sefata ede koma ochehene amoti ofori panyin na bra okodru ho no ye ruada nsam dodo na di ena ede ekyereye ne samu a woka nyina ne se wo hwe nananom akuafo ahodo ya wonom ewo mayemo ene enwumaku ahodo ya wonom so di won sika ankasa bia enwuma ewo mamu a wonom ebo ma ne kyekere ne nkan kropa na so no eto da bia wo man ma nankasa no ye neema ba ko mienu bia wo se ye ede boa ema empeja etimi ba ema fasode so ba so ewo sa adwuma we sei ya nananom eye ewo mem ha se nom no eya ye nyentini ye nhwe na sa na ema ne ye nyentimi mu asebe ya enema betimi akonkan basahare so se ne Ghana fo nyina da ye hwe ne mo kwan no wo che hene ekyerechire nsemo ede ma yen
so ye ni ti metumi akosu o se david da mo no ni ani yes, I did the university to know the we are Bia, it was on this yes. Ambassador Zike, Serbia, no Baba, when we got a ton of film was Mamunia, Ubia, Sabi, I didn't have a sunny. And a young person said, those Abulabia, or so young fine. Now to me, Obiano one year opportunity. Obiano one year opportunity. And then, yes, my mouth. Maybe I would have been maybe as well. When I'm actually here, you who got it was so young. I went out. That's it. The pet is to go out and see. Yes, no man put through here and rap on the bar. Obias Pado. Obias Bench said, okay, 7 years old. I said, don't take right. Let's do a water money. Mosaic for the rest. And go. Be a put to Obia. I want to be drunk and every school's water. Obia called several ministers there. Yeah, talk with them and school for me, they contract me and crying, I mean, that's a way of it. ana chebi yana biyar sakam da wani ne ana mai kanci no kaci ce yin ne mo ko su ko be ada o maka se su se ta me mo a mo pe ko na mo pe kapita ko ta ma wa no no e ba su bia sa pe ni o se isra ani pa ko die
Ebusia ene ya etwegu ye eye ochehene osagefo amotia oforipanyin ena yekọ ekotie ne die no na enu achie no yera Matthew opoku prempen so ekasa ye na enkyeremu ahodo ya wode ma yen ene ensem ya obobo so ede kire omafo ya wonom so se wa bu akwa south ene fantiaka north wo eye epoye mantam wa bra ode nto abohyehe so no obuni makomako ede ma yen
ina mina party papa na nanu party and trade up with a beer or any beer. The baby will chip you, the Miraba. A better party of the young and no one see a wood down. In a question, I say that number one is in the Miraba. It's in baby. The Tapa will be a journal. A one and another kiss at my soil. Uchina. It's here 12. You have a baby blue. You pay that cat and I wouldn't. Then one was to say. And I don't think about it. I bought a chair where the end will be, and it's a fire. I want to be also. Since I made a cucura, the murder to the stretchy. Now, soon, and I don't party or soon, and I don't party, the Mila party. Ah, the people party. The tomorrow that I do on the actual market.
Ebusia yera Dr. Matthew opoku prempe Franka kita fo abede echere edema osun kokroko amanyuko MPP no ena yetie nue afe yewremu ewo eye presidential candidate edema movement for change on monyafo Alan Kwadwo Trematen wono so ne die mom yewra yin so so edensem atodwa echere se bese mfinhye aduasa mienu nie ena chese NDC ne MPP amanyuko no wonom abedi wo Ghana so wa brat memfo anya omugidie ene arehemu bapa ede wonsa won kokromoti akotintim abade ama wonom na so wo kyerese se mfinhye aduasa mienu nie ene echire no eyade a ne pa hodo ya etwefata se drama fo aboboa no enya ade a wonsa eka enempa abo wonom te se de adwonso abo akoko nti no wo kyerese wiaso wo ne niema dane ne ho anu adane ho ebuni mu a no wabu ho de adu achenti no enne movement for change afrafranto manyuko na ba na yewru akwadwo Alan Trematen ene die ne modia na wo hwe mfidi dwuma ahodo ho nimdie ene nyansa ye kita no de dane niema ni ema niema koso e MPP aban mu mpo se wo ba eye akonwa no so na esefata se wotimi dane wonsa ede kire eye movement for change enso eso sebe ya abato wese mu no obeto abane bom ede ama wonom na ene panso edru adehia boboa no wadansem wese nyina di ede kire wa bre ne obopie mu ewo adanse hene opa chale ya asem mfa ncheme opaja kwotwe bonsra afriye wa otoso mienu opeja kwotwe bonsra afriye ya otoso mienu na himfie ya wono so ede nsem ekoto dwa yentie yewura Alan Cash ne nsem ne bimra
ebi no ya sada adi womo akose beebi group bia womo no se kaso wo panshi ska wo nya na ese sisi ya be na Ghana for no bebre ese sa de no womo so gracia no eno no eti no no taso ya me kana masaman o wano and say mo na mabum na mu piano na mu piano ya official the best they talk to what it say that fine and na aban yenu practice yenu ama no come yenu matra so 32 years that fine years still that fine when you get here just to say esa atu abama ya make any the you are so cry you so can you cry you make can you cry in the any way the number say I say yes sir yes sir who you be na the same way not a once someone wontumi kasa ne wo pɛdi a result foforɔ aba sɛ media na adawo sɛ meba no anka bia ɛno soso ɛnyɛ ɛnti na adawo ma ɛde saa nsɛm kakra
Abusia ne ete ne nkan yewura kwadwo alanche mate wono ene kandifo ne koforibade ma movement for change amanyoko ne opagya kwotwere bonsra free ye wotoso mienu adanse hene ono ankasa ne petomo na wokogina ya wodansem ye di ede extra ye abusia yenhwe na yenkope mizo free drink ne 5G mizane bi enom sebe ya minimum awie no ye betimi nsoso anya nteso di ato ansam no so na ye ka cho sebe dwedwumedie bia se no wohia mizo free drink ne 5G mizane bi 5G ne kra de ye energy drink jinsi wom guarana wom ne mpapi no ena ye som de agomonti epagya wa hoden ma ho ye den te se kubo abusia bomadia ne pa bi a kira kwan ne toton obenya faso ma wo frɛ na watimi ama onsa cabinet 0246 270221 0246270221 Sompa chede asa bebiem there are one media foundation and am Sompa chede so ne prensa so nie ena yesi akunafo enwisia ene enyanka yema won bibi e de akata wan dagya so ntoma ne ntade ne ya pe bibi so de ama won maboa no so twede se be ya bronyen eni je so ebeye wonom so edea wa bra enkofo nyina so eje wani eno ntini ntade na wo ntoma na wo anwa emo tentimantes anase de be na wo so ewo donsam a obesa wode ba beka ye de ho na emu yedu ema yetimi eche ema ne bru afoforo so eno ntino fa wa ye de ebra so mpankranza GCB abro sanimo ene yewo sanso na Sompa sunyane night market wa won sabeka yen so ame ye ben rom hotel Kumase ewo so ena Sompa 93.1 Kumase for yewo ebusia wode ne yesika de yewo donsem no de market wa bi ensa fafa number yi eso 0598 559802 0598 559802 edi ebeba eyetara one media anasa Blessed Foster 21st clinic of our time eno enie wosi ateka yade ya aha wache woto ase entini ye firi sisi achifa ho na afa wosiremu a wonantu na akwate ase wonantini ho no eya na eha adwen edura na dwo abobo abusia obo ho nante ano atwe break ansa no watimi atoa ne nante no so obi mpabo watimi ro etotwene wa abra wo hu no otoa ne nante so gese obi pre no ma me mpabo na aka ho no eya na eha adwen mesrew yade bia da se yesa mu die hepatitis yade anase mogya mu yade ahodo bia no fabra na yentu ase from 15 branches and ye bia laboratory test ahodo koso sanso na eye massaging so ekoso ntine wo dia ne so be fa bay na yetimi aboa wo eye 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 yede edi chemo Europe abrochimemo ye bonto ho kwose amafo yade asiatica ne yade wa ahodo ene yate asemu e wo South Africa no te no wo Johannesburg wo Swaziland and asa Zimbabwe fa by ne book appointment 0244 915 116 0244 915 116 ebusia Liberty Conference October edition no esa abasu biemu o na yese wo haw biada ehome biada ya wo sefo ne de akyekyere wo no brana oman hene Alvin yaw edubuache nyankopon enam ne nsaso eya wonwade ede nam ne so ede ama ne mente no wase 26 October anopa no nsia pepepe yenyina ye bo apuemu wo Jubilee Park Kumase ne yakwakwasa ne ye honhoma eni chen biala ye de akyekyere yen na wono mo ba beto nyom akenya adwumadie Minister Georgia Ej Minister SK Frimpong and afa Minister Kwame Jedu ebusia wase eti asem ya wode atoso no on chain wo yi asempa no de free Acts 16:25 to 26 and Isaiah woman eti dunchemu aduonu enso wase bra na obeba behu nyankopon ni monyam ama waye enhira 3 sentence so any 3 capsules boy wo dwumadie mu kokwayem team any sisi yade no anu adro ya ensorosoro no nemo bepamo no na aboa no no 3 capsules cocoa master corona ke badani heba misty heba any apidank ni dosopo mu no obenya bi e de afri o chechire mu bia da probidie so no wo 0546 107 107 0546 107 Express Group so akwantu ho nsem nyina da fa bedan wonom connection manager usika dia che mesro achia emuye esabebo nyina de aka bia no se fa bra na womoa brocha ma bia pese okoso bia no wodo obekwa akoduru kwa ye adwuma kodi dwa saba na so kosua adwuma anase bia wo kosko ne nyina da obehwe na watimi aboa o ne krabata ne dɔɔso gya bɛn ne frɛ na wɔnkyɛ ɔbaabi ɛbɛnto anamɔkɔ hɔ no akwanto mu nsɛm ne nwie mu die ma wo 0249000448 Imi Pro wɔnom aba ɛde ama adwadifoɔ ya wɔnom so ɛyɛ wankasa wɔnwuma ɛwɔ mayi mu wɔse ebia pɛsɛ wɔtira wɔn kwabɛn mu ɛwɔ dwumadie no mu ɛma wonya aboafoɔ ma wɔn so ɛbɛsɔ mu ɛwɔ dwumadie mu no abusua wɔse fa ho ɛbɛdɔm wɔnom efi sɛ wɔnom de nanso etu anamɔde oni akyerɛ mu ɛwɔ China mɛmu ɛno nti no wo ticket de awode kɔ ɛde ɛba wo visa ahodoɔ airport transfers ahodoɔ ya wobɛyɛ hotel baabi abɛda de obɛdie ɛne de wo kɔ akɔyɛ nyina da abusua wɔse fa $2,499 bra na wontimi ɛmfa mo asɛ bɛyɛ obɛtimi akɔbie ama apono so mu abiebie de ama wadwuma no wo penkyerɛkyerɛ mu 0244924573 and 0503719515 abusia wase brade bebo wonso wadwuma ne ho ban nenya atofo nenya aboafo na bibia nkoye mfama yenyina asenom na yento nkramra tew ye ban sam dodo na na ye de beto dwa wa bladom ahene wono so akasa e de nsem bi atoama ye ruaba womia
21st clinic yes sciatica expert
Sompa TV, Emma Aketiapa.
Emma Aketiapa Busia Yadamo has say I'm a monitor Sompa TV Sunni Sompa 93.1 FM, Sompa 98.9, and a Sompa 90.7. Yet 20 minutes Siabrem Cassiano so at the Amamoa. Na ye boy Remo and what my ya what here just so at the Mat Doman and another time when you are bedja Brecrona no House of Chiefs no any president or Sergeant for or see a dear your Ajima Bedu ya what tosum you know. Penny ya kasani nyina no eya basobode ene gidie ya wose wanya ewo MPP wano di sem no wonboshe ya wode baye se be ya apomde mapa bekoso enam so nti agenda 111 wode baye no wose kane no fitia se ne de na amanfo na no gidie no ahye da to fom wasa agenda 111 ho na so no se ne niam si kwani ahofama ya aban ne wone de wanya arehemu ewo mu wode nsem wese ni afoforo ye fa one district one factory ho e na afen so ne mapa hodo ya MPP aban baye wode aba bebo azen wo kasa de fa ho wabra ye Dr. Mahmoud Baumia Frankatuni e de ma MPP amanyoko no wode na ni kiremu e wo domane ne mpotemu a wakwachi ayewura e wo ne patomu
one district, one country. Every our domains, the way in this was the man, the West. You had source complex. Let's see that the multi-purpose. The way in here, the separate the better baby, and the Maswa Abraya. How can they say every that's ideas happening to say, agenda 111. They will be the chance here, they will be adopting Thomases. Because they will be one media. So some social media this one. And they will say side to send a very and I say for the new out of my money to be then for any man, I have your dad, dear grandmaster said, I say, the original hospital, you so famous, and yet them pension, the teaching hospital, then for medical school, and you then come. Sadly, I'm not here to be here, we are very sad. You are able to get here, I'm not going to I have a woman car, Miss one papa, one impact. Airport, be like we are airport, now just say we saying, and now my own not just look at, and you will be there and it will be a Cocasai, that be no bench.
Don mama hine ya wasai ya bro mantam na nanmatam kwenye bedwa no so difo osaje fo sia de yo agema bedu ya wotoso mienu ena eto na enumutu ede kire ye afa ye kwotitire ni edmandi si amanyoko no ye Rura Johnson ensie dunketia ne nchen ebien panyi di atodwa se ensem bi ne nanam framam ye bi atwa na som na ne nyina no ene se NDC kwotena opposition be semfinhia wotwene no wo ho edel wonum sika ni wo mbotom enti baya wo play wo ho gidigidi se wo sa ba aban mu no ene ye wo ba behwe na ene enam a o kire se wo we ya e kan kase nko ano wasa be yin kase na ye chim no de afiri mu o wi ana nkase no wo de ato wo kenkenan na ye dede hunu de agu o manfo asom eno na ye Rura Johnson esiedu nketia kire se sansem no enye sa nete MPP ena e wo sa trimopon nemom enye NDC amanyoko nti won to abanfama wonom ema bibia so nkoye matememfo da sansem wanyina di wabra wode nani ekiremu ewo afageto South Mesimo ewo Fraumantam.
NDC believes that every Ghanaian is an equal citizen of the country without discrimination. You know that when MPP is in power, that is not the belief they work with. They work with principles that suggest that some Ghanaian country belong to all of us and they must be deployed in projects and whatever that will be beneficial to all Ghanaians without discrimination. Whilst our opponent will be sharing money to individuals to influence them to vote to retain them in power.
Ebusia yewura general mosquito titine ni demand this amanyoko no na yekotie no na fe yemra santemantam na adwadifo binom a wonom ton anwa ene eye oye ahodo no yenkwa wonom enchen wachesa wo ho adwiri wonom papa fi se bese na nsene ohoma bope bese dumienu sika afemo na chese anwa bo no apejade akosoro sa akoduru baby a wonte won ho ase anam so amade ohaw ahodo na ebre wadwade won sompafo kasefo kasaye emanchemu ahodo ene de akofa wese nyina ba no wode to ye nim sei
1 liter no 35 and a sunflower no so 800 ml no so 35 and a sunflower 1 liter no 40 but we are how ton before me fancy be a week ago I want to say is 750 the reason is you know omo de sifa ne koto omo to could go and it's a sifa ne so for their price never cost. Exchange rate no air affect. Exchange rate no affect. It's Sebia Mabeka price here in number. That's what China the price no cost. Exchange rate no cost. Definitely price never cost. It was a exchange rate na so meet my home be omunya home be na exchange rate number for. In now I didn't say for CC for cost be na obi go say is a friend say CDK to be another CDB no da papa sifa kakre bi no da papa nyam enti da enne man koso momo de ye enne mo de enti ne bibia afa I just say those of them that are involved in it no me in charge of the system and a bit my regulate am it menya best exchange rate a bit me
6.3 6.4 7.4 7.5 Nti ebe from so mo so man ne ma no so nya no ko ane aka ni nyina aboa yete
Ebusia ye kwakowie ensem no ewo one Ghana movement ono de okasa de ma wo mu yewura senyo hosi wono so atoto bi dia man pipi abampa ne titu ne na danko akufo ado se ne wo ba be mo hwa kalipo na kalipo na sina no na wo twe wasi we say wo ba be pam no ene brown water ensu ani potopotopoto ena wonom ede pepam no ede afri adwale so fisia de wo ba ye wo de be wie Ghana fo eno no.
It's unfortunate that they don't seem as organized as they should be at this time. Our environment is not being destroyed for the good or bad of one particular group of people. It's being destroyed for all of us. So I drop my heart to the Ghanaians at UTAG who are sustaining the conscience of us as a country. We are here to let you know that everyone can do something about it. Every single board person from Sunday to Saturday to flag something that's red in protest. Please get this state of emergency up and running. We've not had the cooperation from government. I don't think Nanado wants this to be his legacy. He should get it very, very clear. Nana, you are living, you came with Calipo. When you were coming, you were drinking Calipo and we're voting for you. Bring Calipo. We'll be sacking you with brown water because that is the future you want for my children.
Convener Edema one Ghana movement here Rasenyo Hosi ena yeko ekotie na busia kwantintin bia kwawie wa boboa no bakofonso entina dodo edwa so enchenti na ha se no